are pleased to show you the 2014 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV, thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.